1. Switch resolution. Open the Bots Lab app. Click here to view the device's live video feed. Click the lower left corner of the screen to switch the resolution. 3 resolutions are available: Fluent HD and Ultra HD. Fluent, HD, Ultra HD. 2. Quick voice reply and voice changing functions. Open the Bots Lab app. Go to the live video screen. Click the More Options icon in the bottom right corner. Click Reply to use the quick voice reply feature.
Please leave right now. Pull away.
Click Voice Tone to use the voice changing function. 3 options are available: normal, male, funny. 3. Cloud recording function. Open the Bots Lab app. You can directly click Event Playback to access the cloud recording page. Alternatively, you can click Cloud Recording on the Live View page to access the cloud recording page. Click the video to play the cloud recording. Click on the recording, find the More Options icon in the lower right corner, and click Download or Delete to download or delete the recording. You can also download the recording by clicking the Download button on the playback page. Long press on the video in the cloud recording page to select and delete multiple recordings at once. Four. Night Vision function and doorbell sound settings. Open the Bots Lab app. Click the Settings button in the bottom right corner of the device to access the doorbell settings page. Click Night Vision to enter the Night Vision mode settings page. Infrared night vision ensures clear visibility in low light conditions. Feel free to switch the night vision mode on and off as needed. Click Sound to enter the sound settings page. You can freely adjust the doorbell's call volume, ringtone volume, and base station's volume. You can also adjust the ringtones of the doorbell and base station. Clicking this button can turn the silent recording feature on or off. After enabling this feature, all video recordings will be silent. 5. Sensitivity adjustment function. Open the Bots Lab app. Click the Settings button in the bottom right corner of the device to access the doorbell settings page. Click Sensitivity. Drag the button to adjust the sensitivity of the doorbell detection. Please adjust the sensitivity according to your actual needs. 6. Doorbell power saving settings. Open the Bots Lab app. Click the Settings button in the bottom right corner of the device to access the doorbell settings page. Click Video Recording link. You can adjust the recording duration to limit the maximum video length of doorbell events. You can modify the detection interval to adjust the minimum trigger interval for the doorbell when it is continuously activated. By adjusting the video recording length and the interval between doorbell triggers, the battery life of the doorbell can be extended.